Transform ideas into reality with the precision of a 3D printer. From intricate models to functional prototypes, these printers turn digital visions into tangible creations. They elevate design, crafting, and customization possibilities and are unique for makers, professionals, and innovators. Embrace limitless creativity with every layer printed. Hey everyone! In this video, we will look at the 5 best 3D printers for jewelry available on the market today. We've compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more information on the products and to get the most updated prices in real time, be sure to check the links in the description below, as these items might just surprise you with unexpected discounts. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro Best Overall 3D Printer. This printer delivers ultra-fast printing speeds, reaching up to 170 mm per hour with high-speed resin at a 0.1 mm layer thickness and 130 mm per hour with standard resin. This high-efficiency performance pushes boundaries, providing rapid results without compromising quality. Equipped with a 14K monochrome LCD screen, this printer brings a high resolution of 13,312 * 5120 pixels and an impressive 16.8 by 24.8 mm XY resolution, achieving precision capable of printing tiny holes as small as 0.3 mm. Advanced with the Light Turbo 3.0 Cob light source system, it combines Fresnel lenses and front-facing reflectors to ensure a consistent light angle within 3 degrees, with over 90% light uniformity. The light-off compensation algorithm further boosts the success rate by ensuring proper exposure and layer removal. Additional features like dynamic temperature control and resin autofill enhance the printing experience. The resin vat maintains optimal print temperatures, while the autofill function simplifies resin management with automatic filling and one-key recycling. Intelligent Design Elements provides 6 types of detection, from residue and resin level detection to platform installation status, reducing potential issues and streamlining the process. In conclusion, this printer combines speed, precision, and intelligent design, making it a reliable choice for quality 3D printing. 3 reasons to buy. Ultra-fast printing speed of 170 mm per hour for efficient production. High 14K resolution for intricate details. Advanced Cob Light Turbo 3.0 light source for uniform light distribution. 1 reason not to buy. Higher price point may be a barrier for hobbyists. At number 2 on the list is the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K Best Budget 3D Printer. This 3D printer with the highest resolution in the market provides an ultra-fine 1152 pi resolution, allowing for detailed and precise prints. Ideal for miniature designs and bust sculptures, this device captures every intricate feature with accuracy. Its advanced linear projection LED module ensures sharp details by enhancing light uniformity, so even the smallest design elements are brought to life. Equipped with ultra-stable dual linear rails, this printer reduces Z-axis nodding, providing a stable platform for high-quality, reliable prints. The frosted laser-cut building plate adds to its functionality, ensuring that models adhere firmly during printing for a smooth outcome. With a 7.1-inch mono LCD screen, the printer provides ample space for more extensive projects or multiple miniatures at once due to an 18 cm Z-axis that supports larger-scale creations. In conclusion, this 3D printer combines high resolution, stability, and thoughtful design to support detailed projects straight out of the box. 3 reasons to buy. Affordable price point for high-quality prints. Linear projection LED enhances light uniformity. Ultra-stable dual linear rails for improved stability. 1 reason not to buy. Smaller build volume limits large prints. At number 3 on our list is the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro Best Premium 3D Printer. This 3D printer is built for efficiency, achieving speeds of up to 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm second square, making it 12 times faster than most FDM printers available. Its core XY structure delivers fine details without sacrificing speed, while noise levels under 50 decibels ensure a peaceful workspace. This printer requires no manual leveling and operates with a one-click printing function, eliminating complicated steps. It includes a filament runout sensor and tangle detection to guarantee consistent print quality. Enclosed with dual filtration, it blocks 99% of particles and vox, making it safe for enclosed spaces. Equipped with a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder and a hot end with a flow of 32 cubic millimeter per second, it heats to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds. Vibration compensation and powerful fans prevent print distortions, delivering stable, high-speed results. Additional features include remote camera monitoring, detachable nozzles in various diameters, and an automatic shutdown function. A flexible PEI steel plate allows easy model removal with multiple plate options and compatibility with various filament types like PLA, ABS, and TPU. In conclusion, this printer combines high performance and convenience, providing an impressive balance of speed, quality, and usability. 3 reasons to buy. Extremely fast printing at up to 600 millimeters per second for high productivity. Core XY structure for precise and fast prints. Fully enclosed design with dual filtration for safe indoor use. 1 reason not to buy. Bulkier design requiring ample workspace. At number 4 is the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2, best 3D printer for beginners. This 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen provides a high resolution of 4096*2560, capturing intricate model details and ideal for those moving from FDM to LCD printing. With this advanced light turbo matrix light source, the printer minimizes layer lines and eliminates grid effects, creating smoother and more detailed surfaces. Its spacious build volume of 165 by 143 by 89 mm, larger than comparable models, accommodates bigger designs and saves placement space. A laser-engraved platform ensures excellent flatness, boosting adhesion for a higher success rate in printing. To enhance durability, an expanded screen protector guards against accidental resin leaks and scratches, extending the screen's life. Additionally, the new Photon Workshop 3.0 slicing software streamlines the process with improved features for slicing, support additions, and model arrangements. Its redesigned interface is intuitive, simplifying operation and increasing workflow efficiency. In conclusion, this printer's upgraded features deliver precision, stability, and ease of use, making it a strong option for model enthusiasts. 3 reasons to buy. Upgraded light turbo matrix for smooth and vivid surfaces. User-friendly design with upgraded slicing software. Compact size, fits easily in small spaces. 1 reason not to buy. Slower print speed compared to premium models. And number 5 on the list is the ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra, best 3D printer for large builds. With a remarkable 10-inch 12K mono LCD, this 3D printer provides a resolution of 11,520 by 5,120, alongside a precise XY resolution of 19 by 24 mm, enabling the creation of intricately detailed models. The 9A tempered glass above the LCD ensures high durability and resists scratches, safeguarding the screen effectively. A large build volume of 218.88 by 122.88 by 260 cubic millimeter, 8.62 by 4.84 by 10.24 inches, allows for printing larger items or multiple smaller models simultaneously, boosting productivity significantly. Powered by an advanced Linux OS with 4GB RAM, this printer delivers stable file transfers and faster speeds, resulting in a smooth and efficient printing experience. Convenient Wi-Fi transfer supports 2.4G and 5G networks, providing transfer speeds of 610 maps from either computer or mobile devices. Reliable printing is assured through a 4-point leveling system, which requires no repeated adjustments after the initial setup. The laser-engraved build plate offers strong adhesion, making model removal easy, while the new ACF release liner film reduces tension, further enhancing printing speed. In conclusion, this 3D printer combines precision, productivity, and user-friendly features to deliver a satisfying printing experience for hobbyists and professionals alike. 3 reasons to buy. Wi-Fi transfer capability for easy file handling. Durable 9H tempered glass over LCD for protection. 4-point leveling system eliminating frequent adjustments. 1 reason not to buy. Limited portability due to weight. Now let's compare these 5 products side by side. This is best for professional designers or jewelry makers who need ultra-fast speed and high precision. This printer excels at delivering intricate details with its 14K resolution, making it ideal for those who prioritize speed and detail in their prints. This is the best choice for budget-conscious users who still need high resolution. This printer provides exceptional detail, making it suitable for hobbyists or artisans who work with intricate miniatures or small jewelry pieces, but don't want to invest in a premium model. This is best for high-demand professional environments such as jewelry workshops or small businesses that need rapid, reliable, and high-quality production. This printer's high-speed printing, along with smart features like remote monitoring and multiple nozzle options, makes it versatile and efficient for large-scale operations. This is best for beginners or those transitioning from FDM to resin printing. This is user-friendly, providing a moderate build volume and simpler features that help newcomers learn the basics of resin printing without overwhelming complexity. This is ideal for those who require larger builds, such as designers who produce larger jewelry pieces or wish to print multiple models simultaneously. This model's expansive build volume and 12K resolution make it suitable for users looking for a balance between high-quality detail and increased productivity. So, that's all about the 5 best 3D printers for jewelry this year. If you think we have left valuable 3D printers for jewelry, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.